Hi all you Melodica players. Today we are going to learn Is, What a Wonderful World. Is was, let me play a little bit of it. There he is. There's our friend. Is was one of Hawaii's most famous musicians, and this is perhaps his most famous song. And we're going to learn a little bit of the melody. I have included a download of the sheet music. If you look below on the screen, you'll see there's a link to a PDF of this, and you can print out the sheet music. So let's listen a little bit to him sing along. So even in this part of the song, I believe we have on the recording, on the sheet music, Yep. Okay, so even that part at the beginning is right there on the ooze in the sheet music, as you can see. All right, so we're going to learn sheet music today. In past tutorials, we've kind of watched it on the big screen. Today, we're going to step up our game. This may be challenging to some of you, but I think if you stick with it, you're going to learn a lot, and you'll see all the benefit of learning names of notes and the treble clef, how that's going to benefit you here with the Melodica. Okay, I am going to move up my chair a little bit on a rise here so you can kind of see my fingers. And now I'm going to put on the sheet music. And all right, bye Is for the moment. And let's put on sheet music here. So let me click on that. There we go. There's our music. And oh, actually I want this. There it is. Okay. So here's the beginning of it. And you can see this note starts on C, E, C, B. So we're going to start, if this is our low C on the Melodica, we're going to start on the C up here, okay? So C, E, C, E, C, B. So C, E, C, B, D, B, D, C, 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 B, D, C, B, A, C, C, A, C, C. Okay, I'm going to go down just a few measures, and maybe in the future I'll be a little more, well, I'll have it all dialed into some sort of computer program, and you can kind of follow along. And then it gets into the actual melody. Somewhere over the rainbow. Excuse me. C, C, B, G, A, B, C, C, A, G. So let's go over those notes here. So C. C, C, B, G, A, B, C. And then down that lower C, C, A, G, down to low A, the lowest A on your Melodica. They, F, E, with the words, there's a land, E, dreamed of is an F note, D, B, C, D, D, E, A, C. Now I'm going to play all of that here with it somewhere, okay? And I'm going to do it real slow. Let's play it together. If you have your sheet music, that'll be helpful. I'll try and keep my fingers out of the way of the screen, but I don't know if I can do both, all right? Here we go. Starting on this C right there. I'm going to start with my pinky because I'm going to come downward. Ready, begin. Sorry, my fat fingers got stuck on a few notes. I'm not going to redo this video today, but let's play along. Let's go back now with Izzy. So this is kind of a learning process, okay? So I'm going to go back to the beginning and actually play the video, and we're going to play along with this. So press play on that and pull up our sheet music, and we'll go back to the beginning here and play along. When you hear the oohs, that's what we're going to do it. Up, 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 up,